Hey, okay, so we are currently at Hotel Metropole in Monte Carlo. We have a junior suite, and I'm going to start off with these massive, great big wardrobes that stretch the entire way of the little hallway. So you've got loads of hangers and an umbrella and some drawers, and then the same in there. That's boring. And then in this one, you have a safe and spare pillows. And then through here is the little seating area, and then two little balconies, the twin beds, and then if we go, here's our little slippers from turn down, and then if I can even open it. So out here you've got a view of the courtyard. So this is the entrance into Hotel Metropole. So this is where you drive down. And this is the view from our balcony. And then this here. And then you've also got water, and then all of your controls here next to the bed. A nice big TV. That's all our luggage. And then through here you've got this insane bathroom with Hermes toiletries. This camera focuses, there you go. A huge bath. Again, if this focuses, there we go. Massive bath, and probably the biggest shower I have ever seen in my life. This is huge. You could literally have a party in there. Maybe some people do. Again, if I walk through, you can see the Hermes toiletries. And then you've also got your gowns with the branding. And then in here is just the toilet and the bidet. Or is it bidet? I have no idea. Anyway, that's it. Just a quick little tour. There's the phone. And that's it really. Here's the rest of the room. Okay, bye.